Hello and welcome to World Book Student. I'm excited to be able to do this virtual tutorial for you. World Book Student has a lot to offer. This World Book Student tutorial is designed specifically for you, for 6th grade students, particularly for your research project that you'll be doing this year. That's based on your social studies, science, or math curriculum. These tools in WorldBook are going to really surprise you, and you're going to enjoy learning about them. First of all, though, a little background on WorldBook. WorldBook Student is published by WorldBook, which used to do all the print volumes of the encyclopedias, which is probably before your time, but I used to use those print encyclopedias and love to sit and just look through them and read them. So this is similar, it's just online, where you get to scroll through and browse through all these different encyclopedia articles and images and websites and web quests, and it's just, and see all the primary sources that you have on there from the Library of Congress and the National Archives. So lots of really, really cool things to look through on this website. And you know you can really trust this website because it is by WorldBook, and because it's been around for so long, it has a name for itself, and it's been a publisher business for the educational products, and also it's constantly being vetted and changed and mediated over time. Also, what's really cool about this is you can search the content according to your own reading level. So this is getting exciting. So let's continue on to some other aspects.